Good evening, guys. It's Jason Daily Kennedy. You have reached Good Nightcap on the Daily Kennedy. Tonight we're going to change it up a little bit with something called Good Night Snack with the beautiful Lisa Johnson of Zinc Nutrition.
Hello.
Hello. She does it all the time when she meets people. It's very awkward. Yeah. So tell me a little bit about Zinc Nutrition.
Zinc Nutrition is a nutritional therapy practice where I specialize in identifying nutritional deficiencies in my clients that could potentially cause illness.
Cool. So can you look at me and tell me what my nutritional deficiencies are right now?
We don't have enough time.
This is called paper bag popcorn.
Paper bag popcorn. Just a regular old lunch bag that you probably have approximately 3 tablespoons of organic, whole kernel, white or yellow corn. Just pour it on in. Then we fold it over twice. So anywhere from 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes.
What are the benefits of popcorn?
Whole grain organic kernels are actually a great source of fiber. It's kind of unfortunate because popcorn has gotten a bad rap lately.
Popcorn is unpopular right now, would you say?
Yeah, well, so I wish you all could smell this. It smells so good. Extra virgin olive oil.
Okay.
Just a couple drizzles, generous pinch of sea salt. Just pour it in the bowl.
Crazy.
Perfectly popped every time.
All right, I'm gonna try it. Oh my God. And I bought healthy microwave popcorn before. This tastes better. Good night snack, first ever. I hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you thought about this one by hitting us up at The Daily Kennedy on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. You can also find Zinc Nutrition at
zincnutrition.com.
Okay, cool. Find this recipe on The Daily Kennedy. Thanks for tuning in to Good Night Snack on The Daily Kennedy.